All right, folks, welcome back to Automate Live. My name is Chris Luecke, host of Manufacturing Happy Hour, and we are joined by Frances of the Taiwan External Trade Development Council. Welcome, Frances.
Hello, everyone.
Great to have you here, and we are here to talk about all things manufacturing in Taiwan. So I'll start off with a general question. What would you say are the unique strengths of the manufacturing industry in Taiwan? Or what would you, applications, industries that you're really focused on? Give us just the general overview first.
Okay, so I think people know like Taiwan can be called as a AI island. So TSMC, most people must have heard about that. So now it's an AI age, and also everything is going automatic. So it's like, if you want to go to the future, especially for the future manufacturing, you cannot do without Taiwan. So that's one of the key strengths like Taiwanese companies have. Like we leverage all these AI technologies, and also Taiwanese companies are being very flexible and also like working very hard. And also we actually been working with partner with all over the world. So it's like, working with Taiwan is like, it's an ideal partner. Yeah, for the U.S. Yeah.
Great examples. I haven't heard Taiwan described as an AI island up until this point, but I think that's a very modern, relevant way to describe it, especially as you mentioned, folks are very familiar with TSMC, for example, not only their presence there, but just worldwide as well. Well, and my next question is really around, I think this has a lot of current event implications as well. What makes Taiwan a great manufacturing partner for companies worldwide, as well as, specifically here in the U.S. as well?
Okay. So, for Taiwanese company like not only TSMC, we have also like lots of co-robust companies. So if you have time, you can just visit our stand 2646. You'll be able to see lots of robotic company and also the AIoT. And I would also like to mention like especially in manufacturing, because now like in the factory, it's not like all human beings to work. It's all like machines. So safety is a key issues. And one of our exhibitors, the name is Touche Solution. He has a technology called T-Skin. So robots with Touche's products like the skin on their robots, it's increase the safety, and it doesn't affect the efficiency of the robots. So when people have to work with the machines, and you don't want to get hurt by the robots. And once when you get very close to the machine with the T-skin, it automatically stopped. And that solution has been used in many companies here.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know whether it's okay for me to name, to give out their names, but I would say like all the companies you'll be able to see, lots of them are their partners.
Well, sounds like it's an extensive list, so I would certainly encourage folks to visit your booth.
Yeah,
as part of
please come. Yeah, we still have 2 days coming.
Yeah.
So please come to our booth.
Well, another thing I'd like to talk about is collaborative opportunities. What are the type of collaborative opportunities you're looking for with other manufacturers, especially as in this day and age, many manufacturers are reimagining and constructing their supply chains in a lot of ways. What are the type of collaborative opportunities you're looking for and that manufacturers should be looking for?
Okay, so for Taiwanese company, we used to like to sell our solutions and also our products, but now it's like we are looking for the cooperation opportunities. So it's like because we have not only the manufacturing power, but we also have the knowledge, and we like to cooperate with we can do the research or development together, design the products together, and also manufacturing together.
Okay.
So so that can bring up my next next topic is like we are going to organize Taiwan Expo USA, and where you get to see lots of Taiwanese solutions and also companies who are seeking for cooperation opportunities and also invest and buying American products.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And can I say the the event will be happening in August, from August 14 to 16 this year in Dallas. Yeah, and you can just Google Taiwan Expo USA. You get to see all the information. And also, if you are like in IT industry, Computex is coming in 1 or 2 weeks in Taiwan, and there you get to see like the AMD and also Jensen from NVIDIA, all the tech company, like world leading tech company, will be in Taipei. So folks, if you are interested in in working with Taiwan, especially in AI industry, then visit us in Taiwan. Or if you cannot make a trip to Taiwan, then visit Dallas. I mean, I know it's gonna be very warm in August, but we will be indoor, so no worry about that. Yeah. Okay.
Well, we'll come back around to the two events here in a second, because I want to make sure folks know that's the clear call to action at the end of this conversation. I hope some people have already marked their calendars. What I love about what you said about the collaborative opportunities, you mentioned, Taiwan has had a reputation for selling solutions and products, but now you're really looking for opportunities to manufacture together, to make it more of a collaborative discussion.
Yeah.
Before we get to the end of this interview, I have to ask, is that I need to understand what that bear is as well. So
you mean the Taiwan Excellence and the bear?
Yeah.
Yeah, the bear is actually the cute staff who help us to promote Taiwanese products.
All right.
And I would like to specially mention Taiwan Excellence. It's actually a world program established by the Taiwan's Ministry of Economic Affairs. Mm-hmm. But they entrust us, like Taiwan External Trade Development Council, to carry out this program. Mm-hmm. And with this program, we encourage like Taiwanese companies to enter the program, submit their products, their new product every year. And we check out like their research and development, design, and also the quality, the product quality, and also how they market themselves. Mm-hmm. So those products who have been selected can be put the Taiwan Excellence logo. So whenever you visit the show, you see them carry out this logo, or you visit like not only the show in the US, but the show, like we will have a show, we will participate in a show in Bangkok next month, and also even more coming in the Europe, like in different continentals. As soon as in the professional trade fair, you saw the products or company carry the Taiwan Excellence. That means the most innovative and best products selected by Taiwanese government. And you can trust the quality. Yeah.
So now you know how to identify, let's say, some of the top products from Taiwan.
Yeah.
As the final call to action, you mentioned two events coming up. You have the Compute Expo, which is in a couple weeks in Taiwan, correct?
Mm-hmm. Computex.
Computex.
Yeah, Computex.
Then you also have the Taiwan Expo USA, which is in August in Dallas, correct?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so we are looking forward to seeing you guys, not only in Taipei, Taiwan, but also in Dallas.
Well, excellent. Yeah. Well, regardless of where you are in the world, you basically have both sides of the world covered if you want to connect with the Taiwan External Trade Development Council and Taiwan manufacturers. Frances, thanks so much for taking the time.
Can I mention, like in the U.S. market, we have 5 offices.
Okay.
So just search for Taiwan Trade Center. If you are in the Midwest, then you can search for the Taiwan Trade Center Chicago. Just contact them. So without the time difference, you can get the quickest response, and also they can help to connect with Taiwanese companies. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah. Thank you for that last edition. So 5 offices here in the U.S. With that, we'll be back for more on Automate Live really soon. Frances, thanks so much for jumping on.
Thank you so much, Chris. Yeah. Thank you.
See you soon.
See you soon. Hope.